Today start a new lecture or next lecture, common system of alkyl halide. Common system of alkyl halide. Look here, Rex, alkyl halide two words. Look here everybody, according to common system of alkyl halide. According to common system of alkyl halide, first write the name of alkyl group. First write the name of alkyl group attached to halogen atom. First write the name of alkyl group attached to halogen atom and after the word of halide. After the word of halide, name of compound in common system here, the common system is alkyl halide. Common system is alkyl halide. Look here, simple. Look here CS3I, methyl iodide. First write the name of alkyl group, methyl, small m. Methyl. Okay, next halide, iodide, methyl iodide. Next example, CS3CH2Br. Okay, name of alkyl group here, ethyl. Name of alkyl group, ethyl bromide. Next, CH2CH2Cl. Okay, I or Cl. Okay, yes. Name of the compound, look here, 3 or more than 3 carbon atom. 3 or more than 3 carbon atom. This is the straight chain normal alkene by using prefix n. N propyl chloride. Next, CS3 CHCl CS3. Okay, next of the compound, isopropyl chloride. Next, look here, CS3 CHBr CH2CH3. Look here everybody here, how many carbon atom? 3. Okay, halogen atom containing second, more than 3 carbon atom. Look here, in case of isopropyl chloride, by using the two prefix, iso or secondary. But in case of, look here, how many carbon atom? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Butyl. More than 3 carbon atom by using the prefix secondary. No iso. Secondary butyl bromide. Okay, yes. Look here, a second here, isobutyl bromide here. Simple example, isobutyl bromide. The difference between secondary and iso. Look here, CS3 CS3 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, here Br. Look here, a prefix iso, a 1-methyl group attached to second carbon atom by using the prefix iso. 1-methyl group attached to second carbon atom. Any substitute attached to second carbon atom except methyl group. In case of secondary, example, iso. Look here, isobutyl bromide. Okay, next, CS3 2, 3, 4, 5 Cl. Name of the compound. Okay, name of the compound, N-pentyl chloride. Why using prefix N? This is the straight chain, long chain. This is the normal chain. Next, look here, next, CS3. Okay, Cl, CH2. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct? Yes. Name of the compound, secondary Okay, secondary pentyl chloride. Secondary pentyl chloride. Secondary pentyl chloride. Look here, next compound here, CH3. CH3, CH3. Okay, 3, 4, 5, CH2Cl. Everybody, one methyl group attach the second carbon atom by using the prefix iso. Isopentyl chloride. Isopentyl chloride. Look here, all of you, there are different types of the prefix here. N is a straight chain. Iso, look here, in case isopropyl, everybody the propyl by using the iso and secondary, both names, both. Iso or secondary propyl chloride. Okay. Both prefix by using everybody only one compound propyl chloride. But next, secondary butyl are different. Secondary butyl and isobutyl both are different. Secondary butyl and isobutyl both are different. Both are different. Correct? Yes, secondary butyl bromide. Next, isobutyl bromide. Isobutyl bromide. Everybody, this is straight chain by using the prefix N. Okay, they substitute mean halogen atom attached to second carbon atom. Okay, here by using prefix secondary. Next one, okay, one methyl group attach the second carbon atom by using the prefix iso. Isopentyl chloride. Isopentyl chloride. Okay, 1 minute. Look here next. Look here, two methyl group attach the second carbon atom. Everybody, 1 minute. Example here, two methyl group attached. CH3, CH3, CH2. What is the second carbon atom? How many methyl group here? Two methyl group attached second carbon atom by using prefix neo. By using prefix neo. Correct? Yes. Name of the compound. Neopentyl bromide. Neopentyl bromide. Next example, neo, everybody. Next example here, like this. Okay. CH3. 1, CH3, CH2Cl. Look here, two methyl group attach the second carbon atom by using the prefix, you know, neohexyl. Neohexyl. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Neohexyl chloride. Neohexyl chloride. Correct? Yes. Look here. Look here, prefix here N, next is the iso, next is the neo, next is the secondary. Correct? Yes. Look here, a prefix tertiary here. Tertiary. Next compound here, CH3, CH3, okay, I. You know, iodine atom is attached to tertiary carbon atom. Tertiary carbon atom. Name of the compound here. Like this, okay, tertiary butyl, you know, tertiary butyl iodide. Tertiary butyl iodide, correct? Yes. Tertiary butyl iodide, okay. Next. Look here, next compound. You know, next is a tertiary example, like this CH3. CH2, CH3, okay, here Br. You know how many carbon atom here? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Halogen atom attached to tertiary carbon atom. Tertiary, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, pentyl. Tertiary pentyl bromide. Tertiary pentyl bromide, okay? Yes. This is the simple common name of alkyl halide. Simple common name of alkyl halide. Look here next, everybody, simple CH2 double bond CHCl. Common name here, common name phenyl chloride. Common name phenyl chloride. What is this? This is the monomer of polyphenyl chloride. Everybody, you know PVC? Yes, phenyl chloride. CH2 double bond CHCl phenyl chloride. Here will be next example allyl bromide. CH2 double bond CH CH2Br, name of the compound. Okay, allyl bromide. Next compound is allyl bromide. Allyl bromide. Okay, yes, next. Look here. Look here, everybody. A prefix, everybody here, prefix. Prefix N. Okay, N means straight chain. N means straight chain. Okay, long chain. Normal alkane. Normal. Next, everybody, iso. A 1-methyl group is attached to second carbon atom by using prefix iso. Next is the, okay, next the secondary. Okay, any substituent except methyl group attach the second carbon atom by using prefix secondary. Next, neo. Look here, neo. A 2-methyl group is attached to the second carbon atom. Okay, at the normal chain of carbon atom. What is this? Prefix neo. And 1-methyl group iso. 2-methyl group neo. Next, the prefix tertiary. Everybody, tertiary here. A halogen atom is attached to a tertiary carbon atom. Okay? Yes. You know, N, iso, secondary, neo, tertiary, or everybody here new name of the vinyl chloride, and next is the allyl bromide. Okay, this part studied everybody last time. Classification of halogen derivatives, or classification of monohalogen derivatives. Okay, vinyl chloride or allyl bromide. Okay, this is the common system of alkyl halide. This is the simple part. Okay, this is the simple part. Correct? Okay, stop here. Thank you.